we will learn how to cook adobong pusit. Before we start cooking, prepare the following. The first thing you have to do is to cut the squid in small pieces. In a pan, add a small amount of oil. Saute the garlic. Then add the onions. Then add the squid. Stir it constantly. Pour some water to the pan and cover it. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until the squid is already tender. When the squid is already tender, add soy sauce and vinegar. Before anything else, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let it simmer for a bit, then turn off the stove. Tada! Adobong pusit is now ready. Serve it and enjoy!